Want to take a screenshot of an entire web page in Google Chrome, top to bottom, not just what you see on your screen? Maybe you're putting together a report, saving a long recipe, or need a visual record of a site for reference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know 2 easy, reliable methods for grabbing full-page screenshots in Chrome, whether you want to use built-in tools or prefer a simple browser extension. Let's dive in with the first method, using Chrome's built-in developer tools. It's actually easier than you might think and doesn't require any extra downloads. Start by navigating to the web page you want to capture. This could be anything, an article, a product listing, a long FAQ. The important thing is to load up the page you want in Chrome. Next, you'll open Developer Tools, which may sound intimidating if you've never used them. But trust me, we're only here for a quick screenshot. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and the letter I all together. If you're on Mac, use Command, Option, and I. You'll see a panel open up, either on the side or the bottom of your browser window. That's the Developer Tools area, a workspace mainly for web developers, but very handy for us too. Now, we need to access the command menu. On Windows, it's Ctrl, Shift, P. Mac users, press Command, Shift, P. After a moment, a search bar pops up right at the top. This is your gateway to various hidden Chrome functions. Type Screenshot in the search bar. You'll see several screenshot options appear, but what you want is Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Go ahead and select that. Chrome will take a picture of the entire length of the page, not just the part that's visible in your browser window. If this page is especially long, maybe it scrolls for miles, don't worry, Chrome handles it automatically. After a few seconds, the screenshot gets saved as a PNG file, usually to your Downloads folder. You can double-check your folder to make sure it's there. And that's it. You now have a complete, high-quality image of the page from top to bottom. If you're ever asked, can I save to clipboard instead of downloading with DevTools? Just remember for now, Chrome only saves this full-page screenshot as a downloadable file, not straight to the clipboard. If the Developer Tools route feels a bit complex, don't worry, there's an even easier way, especially if you prefer a one-click solution. Let's look at the second method, using a browser extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for full-page screenshot. One popular choice is the Go Full Page extension, but you'll see several options. Once you find one you like, just click Add to Chrome and accept any permissions it asks for. The extension's icon will appear in your browser's toolbar at the top right. To use it, load up the web page you want to capture, just like before. Click the extension icon, it's often a small camera or similar, and look for the Capture Full Page option. With a click, the extension scrolls through the site for you, stitches everything together, and shows you the screenshot, sometimes in its own tab for easy review. You can download it as an image or a PDF depending on the extension. Both of these methods are quick, reliable, and don't require any fancy software. Whether you're a student gathering research, a designer archiving layouts, or just saving a favorite blog for later, full-page screenshots in Chrome are a breeze once you know how. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comments below and let me know if you have favorite extensions or tips for screenshots. And be sure to subscribe for more clear, practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.